Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Origami Paper Decorative series. So in this video we'll be doing the Origami Snowflake model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this snowflake decorative design model, we'll need these leaf decorative design models which we just made in the earlier video. We need 6 such decorative leaf models. So I made all those. Let me show it to you. Alright, so there are 6 such decorative leaf models. All we need to do is just join these in the form of a snowflake. So this is the first one. This is how it looks. This you need to join it here like this. So this way 3 will be joined in this side and then 3 will be joined on the opposite side, making it a frost like snowflake model. So let me connect this and I'll show you the final model. So guys, as you can see, I've joined 3 in this side and 3 in this side. Now these will be joined like this, and then we'll give it a proper shape like this to form a snowflake, and then we'll tie us or we'll stick a thread and I'll show you the final snowflake model. So guys, this is the final snowflake model. This is how it looks. You need to give it a proper shape like this, and you can tie a thread from one of the corners and then you can hang it over. So this is the final model. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very beautiful wall hanging decorative model. So go ahead, make such multiple things and decorate all your walls in your house. But don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.